Hi, boys and girls. So I'm super excited about this writing lesson because we made pumpkin pie in a cup at 10 o'clock on live today. And if you missed that, it was so fun, okay? But I'm going to do a writing today on pumpkin pie in a cup, and it's a how-to writing. How awesome is that? Now, there are a couple of ways that you can do this with me, okay? There's a paper on our Bridge resources that looks like this. Okay, it has 2 pages, and you can print this from your house and write it on here, or you can get your own paper and write it on whatever paper you have at your house with me. So you're going to be writing while I am writing as well. Okay, so what I want you to do is if you don't have paper right now, or you don't have the paper that you want, I want you to pause this video and come back when you're ready, okay? I'm going to turn my camera around, and we are going to look at this book that will help us be able to fill out this. So the book and this are both on It's Learning under Bridge Resources, and you can print them. Or you can just look at mine and write on your own paper, okay? So right now I'm just going to read this book to you, okay? And it says how cool is that? We're doing how-to writing. How to make pumpkin pie in a cup, okay? It says, it has our word that we need, our sequencing word. First, in a large bowl, mix vanilla pudding and 1 cup of milk. Oh, look, and just like how we did it in our writing last week, they labeled milk pudding. They labeled their milk. How cool is that? They zoomed in. They have their milk, their pudding, their cup, and their big bowl. Okay, it has a sequencing word. Next, add 1 cup of pure pumpkin. Mix. Okay, so these are all the ingredients you need, and this is how to do it. And you watched Mrs. Likens and I do this at 10 o'clock, which is super cool. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix. So here's your pumpkin pie spice. Here's your 1/4 teaspoon. And look, the bowl is getting more full. Okay, let's see what else. It has more sequencing words. After that, fold in an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Oh, this is going to make it good. Whipped cream, bowl, spatula to mix. I love it how on this one they have everything you need when they write it. Just kind of like we do when we do it like this. Right? Okay. Next, sequencing word, crush 1 graham cracker and put it on the bottom of the cup. Okay, so they crushed it with a rolling pin in a bag, and they put it in the bottom of the cup. All right. Then put 2 scoops of the filling on top of the crushed crackers. I love how detailed they're being about where things need to go. That's so good. You put 2 scoops of the filling on top of the crushed crackers. Another sequencing word. After that, top the filling with a little bit of whipping cream. And that's your whipping cream on the top. Ooh, it looks so good. Finally, enjoy your yummy treat. And that's the last thing. You eat your pumpkin pie in a cup. Okay, so we're going to use this book to help us write our how-to writing today. And you're going to write it along with me. Whatever I write, you write. Okay? Because this is showing you how to do how-to. And this is a long one. Boys and girls, this has a lot of steps. Look at that. So you're going to be writing quite a bit today. Get your hand ready. Written by Mrs. Burnett. If you have your own paper, just write at the very top your name. Okay. Let's see what they said to do first. First, mix vanilla pudding and 1 cup of milk. Okay. So I'm going to look here, and I'm going to use those words. Mix vanilla pudding and 1 cup. And a C is the abbreviation for cup, you could do. Cup of milk. And you always have your period after that because it is a sentence, right? Mixed vanilla pudding and 1 cup of milk. Boys and girls, if at any point in this video you need to stop the video, pause it, and write the rest of it, that's fine. Okay, so I might go a little bit faster than you would go, and that's okay. You just pause the video and write it down. Okay? So you can pause it here if you need to and write yours. I'm going to leave it up there. Next, let's see what's next. Next, add 1 cup of pumpkin. Okay? Next, add 1, and I'm just going to make the number 1, cup of pumpkin. And then it says mix. Okay? Remember, you can pause this video if you need time to write it. Then, ooh, this one's specific. Then add 1/4, so 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Okay? Add 1, and this is how we learn to write 1/4, right? 1/4 teaspoon, which is TSP, okay, of, I'm going to go down here so I have enough room. Pumpkin pie spice, period, mix. Okay, remember, you can pause this video if you need to write this. Okay, good thing we learned fractions already, right? 1/4. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next page. If you need this, pause it, go back a little bit, and write what I have down. Okay, it says after that, let's see what it says next. After that, fold in an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. I'm going to put add an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Okay, good. All right, if you need to pause it to write the rest of it, you can do that. Next, crush 1 graham cracker and put it in the bottom of a cup. Next, crush, ooh, we know how to spell that, crush 1 graham cracker, crush 1 graham cracker, and, can you guys make that sign? And, it's just a fun way to make it. Or you can always write and put it on the bottom of cup. Okay, so they're being very specific about where to even put the graham cracker, right? They're giving us a lot of details. I love that. It's fantastic. Okay, if you need to pause this, you can, and write what I have. All right. Then put 2 scoops of the filling on top of the crushed crackers. Put 2 scoops of filling on top of crushed crackers. Okay? Then put 2 scoops of filling on top of crushed crackers. Okay, we're almost done. We have 1 more left. Finally, now we're gonna have to put these 2 together because they didn't give us enough room. After that, it has the whipped cream and eating it. So let's put, finally, top with whipped cream and eat. Top with whipped cream and eat. Look at that. You guys wrote so much. I think that's the longest how-to writing you've ever written. Right? Maybe some of you have written a longer one, but look how many steps this had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. My goodness. Okay, now, if you need to stop this video, I'm going to put it up here so you can see it. And you can pause it here and finish yours. After you get done with all of these steps, if you have your own paper, I want you to write these words as well. Okay, because those are our sequencing words. We need those words when we do how-to writing. Okay, if you, whenever you get this done, I want you to show it to me on Seesaw. You can take a picture of it. You can take a video showing me, whichever one you want to do. I would like to see it because I want to see how much you wrote today. It's amazing. All right, happy writing.